we have piles and mountains of waste that are piling up in Beirut that is mixed with everything. And glass and rubble and metals are mixed with organic waste, are mixed with a lot of different waste, and this is not healthy. And we don't have recycling, proper recycling in Lebanon.
مثل ما شايفين هون وراي في عنا الازاز هذا تبع انفجار بيروت. الانفجار هذا سبب كثير كسر ازاز، وعم يجيبوا لنا اياه جمعيات عم يشتغلوا، عم يجيبوا لنا اياه هون لحتى نعيد تصنيعه. حسب الكميات اللي جايتنا من بيروت يعني في عنا تقريبا شي 15 طن لحوالي 17 طن هلا من بيروت. وهسه عم يجينا، هسه الجمعيات عم يشتغلوا لحتى يبعثوا لنا اكثر، عم يقولوا لنا هسه في حوالي 150 160 طن ازاز مكسورين.
Immediately after the explosion, we decided that at least a part of the shattered glass our local industry should benefit from as a raw material. So I contacted these guys and I set up some kind of an initiative for them to see the quality of the shattered glass and see if it runs in their equipment and industrial setup. And they said yeah, and we've already sent them about 25 tons so far. So we set up a WhatsApp hotline. People were sending pin locations. We have volunteers that would go there. We got funding for the pickups. So the pickups do the rounds in the inner city. They pick up the glass. We take them to a collection point, and from the collection point, we repack them and send them here. Well, you know, it's taking a really bad situation and trying to see good out of it, you know. We're diverting glass from ending up in the landfill. We're supplying our local industries with free raw material. We got funding also to even cover the transportation costs of this raw material. We even created a couple of jobs for people to inspect the glass before they use it. So why not?